Think all Indian curries are fiery and hot? Today we are revealing the secret to chicken korma, a dish defined by its rich, creamy texture and mild spice level that even children love. Korma is a traditional Indian dish where meat is braised in yogurt, cream, or a nut paste. Unlike other curries that rely on chilies for heat, korma focuses on aromatic spices for heat. Korma focuses on aromatic spices, cinnamon, and coriander to create deep flavor. The creamy sauce is the star of the show. We use a combination of coconut milk and ground almonds to create a smooth base that clings perfectly to tender chicken, offering a soothing mouthfeel instead of heat. For extra richness and a unique nutty flavor, chefs often add cashews along with the almonds. This technique transforms simple ingredients into a restaurant-quality sauce that feels special without being fussy to prepare. One of the best things about this recipe is its convenience. You can cook the entire dish in just one pan with no marinating required, making it ready in less than 30 minutes for a comforting family meal. When served with fluffy basmati rice or warm naan bread, the gentle hint of sweetness balances the warm spices perfectly. This creates a fragrant and flavorful experience that transforms spice-sensitive palates into curry lovers. Ultimately, chicken korma stands out because it offers a rich, mild, and aromatic profile that is incredibly easy to make at home. It proves that deliciousness does not always require intense heat or complex preparation methods. Now you know the secret behind this iconic dish. Try making your own version at home and tell us in the comments which ingredient you think gives it the most flavor. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes.